not gonna lie, I've been neglecting this for a while, so actually I suppose I'll get the power book out of the way because I don't want to deal with a melting laptop. Right. First things first, what do I need? Well, I suppose I'll open it up to begin with because kind of sort of forgotten how to do that, although I suppose we'll just find out together. I would assume that removing a screw is a good start. Forgive me if I'm wrong, I think there's a connector in the bottom that I've got to take out. So I'll just get the old... there you go. So I think I could just push this through, maybe? It confuses me as to why there's no battery. Oh dear. Oh dear. Huh. That's not good. Oh dear. Well, if you just have a look here, well, the battery connector is kind of where is that? You're not gonna believe it. I've got another one. I was wondering why it wasn't charging, and it's just that's quite obvious now. I mean, yikes. Let's have the innards of this one out. Oh, it does appear that there may be a battery inside this one. Yeah. Not much else inside of this one though. That's I wonder if we could just like Frankenstein's monster these two together and maybe like have something that somewhat functions, because I really don't care if it doesn't work like totally. It just, yeah, you know what I mean. Moment of truth, y'all. Oh, I'm just gonna leave that in its precarious state for a moment. And with the magic of video editing, a while it has now been, so I'll just pray. Well, I mean, it didn't turn off. So from the other blue iPod, I've taken the hard drive because... Also, can I just stop for a moment to appreciate how cute this hard drive is? Look at it! It's so sweet. It's tiny. It's like... here's a guitar pick. That's the size of this like actual mechanical hard drive. It is adorable. Anyway, point is, the iPod is charged, maybe. Okay, it's not on, so I'll just go ahead and plug that in. And I suppose I'll take the click wheel from the grey one because why not? Moment of truth. Uh-oh, that's not good. Perhaps I'll try plugging it in. Oh, spinning sounds. Oh, it worked! It so worked! Oh my god, it's functioning. I haven't seen it do that since like 2017. Oh my god, that is so cool. Oh my god. No. No! Oh my god. Guys, a beautiful union between two pieces of shit that sat in my drawer unattended for 3 years. Why does it work now? It never worked before. No. The hard drive works too. The adorable tiny little hard drive works. That is fantastic. Oh my god. That is so cool. Can we sync this? Or is it just like, you know, is it just dead? Music. No way. It's still got all of my old music from my old iTunes library, that is. Well, I suppose I'm gonna like go ahead and sync this with my new iTunes library, perhaps. This is so cool. I have not seen this thing working in years. I mean, this blue iPod here, I'd admit I'm a little bit attached to it because my friend gave it to me in high school, and it's just such a lovely thing. Like he said, basically just told me he didn't need it anymore, and that it was it was broken at the time, and I went between having it working and then not, and I think I gave up because I broke the hard drive cable. Why it never occurred to me just to, you know, go ahead and swap one out of here. Actually, I think I did that in the end. And then I broke the battery connector off. It's all come back to me now. Anyway, let's go ahead and sync my iTunes library. Is there anything on the hard drive, actually? Because I swear I used to keep things on here. Like actual files. Oh my god, yeah, there's like... there's loads of document? Oh, there's nothing in there. Photos. Me right now, oh dear. Oh dear. I'm wondering though, if I sync it, will it delete those things? I suppose I'll find out. Not gonna lie, I was really thinking I was gonna have to bust out the soldering iron there, but alas. Well, I say it as if it's a bad thing. I mean, I had no idea it was gonna be that easy, and it's just like, oh, it's so lovely, it works, finally. Finn, if you're watching this, thank you so much for giving me this, man. It is an awesome piece of technology, even though it was like 3 years ago. But still, I love it, and I always will love it. And now I finally have an iPod to go on the road with, which is great, because my phone... well, it's a 16 gig iPhone, so I don't really need to explain that one fully. Some parts lying around in my drawer for like the last 3 years, and why I never figured out how to do this sooner, or I don't know. It seems like the obvious solutions that stare you in the face the longest you tend to miss. But here we go. A nice working iPod. So all right, I'll take that. That is brilliant. And did I mention how cute the hard drive is? I have discovered a slight issue. The click wheel appears to not be working, so... Well, I mean, I'm glad I've got a spare. Well, I suppose we'll have to try that out. Maybe this'll do it. Oh. Oh, totally. That is cool. It does appear the frame is, like, slightly bent. So... Maybe I can just straighten that out, and then... Oh, wait, that's a really bad idea. I should not be doing that right next to my hat. I'm an idiot. I suppose that's it. That is so cool. It's chunky and it's like, it's so nice. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Look at it. Yeah. I think that's it. I really think that's all there is to it. Huh. I suppose there is one thing I've kind of sort of forgot to do, which is test its functionality as an iPod. See if we can do that real quick. That totally works. Ah, fantastic. So I guess there's not really much else to say other than, like, thanks for coming to my TED Talk, I guess.